Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's video, I will be unboxing my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of May. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one mystery item. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money, and all of the opinions are my own. So to begin, this box is so cute with this bright color. I love the bright colors that they put it in because every month when I get it, I get excited to see my box and to see what color it is, and it's just so cute. This blue definitely makes me happy. So let's go ahead and open my box up. Ooh! Sparkle yarn! So cute! Oh, I love the color. It definitely gives me like sunset. I love when it has glitter throughout it. That's so cute. All right, what is it? Sparkle worsted weight silk and violet peach. And on the back, it's always going to give you the needle that you can use or the hook that you can use with this particular yarn. It's so cute. It's squishy and soft, and I love the color. It would make a really good pair of socks. I definitely can see myself making a pair of socks with this, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but it's definitely super cute. All right, our item. Some buttons. Yeah, some buttons. Oh, they're so cute. They're handmade. They're heavy. They're made from clay. They're adorable. Oh, there's the website. And they're Etsy. So cute. I love those. I don't use buttons very often because I don't make garments, and I usually use them on pillows and stuff, but I don't do that very often either. But I will use these, I just don't know when. They're very cute though. All right, and our booklet. You get a booklet with every box, and it is going to tell you about the yarn. Oh, this must be the pattern we're getting because it's the yarn and it's the mystery item. Cute. So it's going to show you the yarn, how it was made. It's going to tell you about the yarn in your gift. It's going to tell you about the club. Ooh, so pretty. It's so much yarn. There we go. There's the knitting pattern. A notebook cover. Cute. And a crochet pattern. Oh, I love that. That's adorable. Yeah, and that's it. So that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of May. So cute. I love that they've been very cohesive lately. They've given you the yarn with a pattern, and then the mystery item goes with that pattern. And I love that. I think that is so fun. It's been like that for the past couple boxes, that they've been very cohesive, and I really do enjoy that. So that is going to be my Darn Good Yarn box for May. I did want to let you guys know, if you enjoy these unboxings, I do have a playlist and I will have it linked down below. I did do a full roundup of all the boxes I received in 2020. I did a review video and I will have that linked down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.